Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by ensuring the account and number match. First, open Settings and confirm you're signed into the correct Apple ID. This links Imessage. Then check Phone My Number to confirm the new number is listed and the SIM is active. Once done, make an iCloud or local backup so you can restore if anything mislinks. This prevents account confusion and preserves message history. It's a quick safeguard that makes later steps reversible and less risky. Now you'll force a fresh iMessage registration. Go to Settings Messages and toggle iMessage off, then do the same for FaceTime. Restart the iPhone to clear cached registrations. When it boots, return to Settings Messages Send and Receive, tap your Apple ID, and sign in if prompted. Under You can be reached by iMessage at ensure the new phone number is checked and set as the default for send from. This re-registers Apple's servers to the correct number, reducing delivery errors. Finish by testing and resolving common hiccups. Send an iMessage to and from another iPhone to confirm it appears as blue and shows the correct sender number. If messages show as green or pending, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds, disable and re-enable iMessage, and verify SMS activation messages can be received on the new number. If activation errors persist beyond a day, contact Apple support with your Apple ID. They can inspect activation logs and resolve carrier or account-side issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.